Hey guys, this is a video of the Hampton Bay Sidewinder ceiling fan. Someone in the comments of one of the previous videos told me the model was Sidewinder, so thanks to that person. So it's up here now. The capacitor has been replaced, so now it runs a lot better. It doesn't run slow and in the reverse direction. I don't have the remote, so it's just hooked up to a 1-speed switch. It's stuck on high. Really quiet. This replaced the Bali Blue Mountain. Bali Blue Mountain is installed somewhere else. I'll have to do a video of that. So, stuck on high speed. For a modern ceiling fan, that's a decent amount of air. Most modern fans, they avoid putting pitch to help reduce the drag on the blades, so that way it goes fast. But this one, there's a lot of pitch on the blades. I don't know if you could hear the air movement. I hope you could. So, I think this fan fits a lot better than the one that was in here previously. So, yeah, usually I don't like these kind of fans, but I like the trim on the blades. It looks a lot better than most of them. I said it in the last video. Like it doesn't look like just a light with 5 blades on it. Sorry if the video quality is bad. Not much I can do. Actually, wait, can I polish the... Nope, the video quality just isn't good. So it's not using the original canopy. The original canopy wouldn't work with the bracket, so I had to put the canopy off of my Aerospec Climate ceiling fan onto this. What was it? Aerospec something. Yes, I still have it. It's mostly a parts fan since the motor is literally just super tiny. So you can tell it's a slight different shade of silver. Not that noticeable. So yeah, I think this fan was made in 2005. So for a modern fan, it's okay. I mean, I feel like if it was an older fan, now the capacitor wouldn't die, and then it wouldn't have been removed. But all modern fans have a problem where the capacitor just gets worse and worse, and then it just doesn't work. So replacing the capacitor made it work perfectly. So the motor itself is made to last a bit more than the components. Alright, we're waiting for the spin down, and then I'll end the video. And yes, I don't have a light bulb. The light would be on right now if I had a light bulb. It's taking a very long time. Yeah, the bearings are surprisingly good. Like, I imagine that when the fan was removed, they probably kept it outside or somewhere like that. Because there was water in it when I first got it. I don't know if it was left outside by, like, garbage, or if they were planning to do something with it, but they kept it somewhere where it didn't really hold up very well. So now that it stops, we can just take a closer look at it. I did polish it off camera, so everything is shiny and new. This really shows where you can see like the canopy is a different shade of silver. See if I can you can barely see, I don't know if you can hear me, but you can barely see all the stuff up there. Yeah, this is a nice fan. I prefer this to the old one. And I like where the belly is now. I'll have to show you where that one was put. So after 4 years, the Bali ceiling fan has finally been replaced with an even older ceiling fan. So yeah, this was PowerCat69. Thanks for watching. Bye.